I'm meteorologist Gretchen Mishik with a look at your weather top stories on this Easter Sunday. A stormy day ahead across portions of the southern plains and into the Ohio Valley. We'll take a look at where that storm threat is for today. Plus, it's going to be very mild considering it's still the middle of April, especially across portions of the east. But on the opposite side of the nation in the northwest, it does continue to remain soggy and cool. Now, this map shows us how today's high temperature will differ from the normal high temperature on this day. And the yellow shaded areas show where it is above normal, and that includes actually much of the country. But the especially unseasonably warm weather will be in the northeast here. Check out New York and Boston. High temperatures in those areas today will be in the low to mid 80s, and that puts us about 23 to 25 degrees warmer than normal for this time of the year. But of course, some of that warmth continues to spread across the Ohio Valley. Only a couple pockets of those cooler conditions, which include Montana, where we're continuing to have some wet weather, and into northern California, where it is a bit cool as well. Now, of course, with the warmth and a system moving across the Great Lakes, that combination does lead to a storm threat, which is continuing to advance eastward today. Yesterday, that moved from the Midwest. Now it moves toward the Ohio Valley. As an area of low pressure moves from the Great Lakes into the northeast, the associated cold front will come sweeping across the Ohio Valley down toward Texas. A slight risk of severe weather does include portions of northern Oklahoma, as well as a marginal threat stretching across Kentucky up through Pennsylvania and New York. So here's how that looks on the forecast. That front moves eastward during the peak heating of the day. That's when we could see some of that thunderstorm development, and of course showers continuing in the west. Let's take a look at those high temperatures across the nation. Check out New York at 84 and our nation's capital at 86.